This is how to install apps on your iPhone. You can install apps on your iPhone from the Apple App Store. The App Store is where you have all the options to download the apps and update the apps also. To download the apps, you need to be signed in with your Apple account, and once you're signed in, you can start installing apps. You can also make purchases. You can buy apps that are not free. You can make in-app purchases if you have a payment method on your Apple account. Here I'm on the App Store, and the easiest way to install an app is to search for it. If you know the app you want to find to install, you can search for the app, but you can also look for the popular apps that are available in your area, which are the most used apps, especially if it's for navigation or if it's social media apps. Usually these ones are more popular. So here I search for Snapchat, and when you see this cloud icon, that means I had the app installed before and I uninstalled it, and I have the option to get it again, to download it again. When you browse for apps on the App Store, if you see open, it means the app is already installed, and if you see the button that says get, it means the app was never installed in your iPhone, and you can start installing it if you want to. I press get, especially the app is free. This is Google Classroom, and once you press get, you have to confirm it. You have to confirm that you want to install this app. Here in this case, I do a double click on the power button, and using Face ID, and like that, it's clear that I want to install this app. It's not trying to install it. And then you have to wait for the install process to finish. You will see the app icon on the home screen somewhere at the end of maybe the second page or the third page if you have many apps on your iPhone. And it's done. The app is installed. I could show you how I install another app now. And for example, I could find some other apps. It's really, there are so many apps. It's easy to get carried away and install too many apps, but if you install an app that you don't want, you can always remove it. So you don't have to really worry too much about that, but I'm just trying to type the name. Okay, I found the Snapchat app, and I'll have this option here with the cloud, and the down arrow means it's in the iCloud. It's saved. It has some settings maybe, and I can simply press on it and it downloads the app, just like you tap on the get button. And now it shows the open button because the app is already installed. So I have the Snapchat app and Google Classroom, and I can organize them. I can long press on the app and then drag the app around on the home screen to move it where I want. I could even move it into a folder. From here, it's really your preference how you want the apps to be saved as. And I want to show you, for this purpose, I can have the Google Classroom and Snapchat next to each other. So I show you what happens to them after I install them. You can put them in the same folder, even you can combine them into one folder or rearrange the icons. Here I have them now in a folder, and the title of the folder is automatically generated, but you can edit it. That's how you install apps from the App Store on your iPhone. This works the same for iPad. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.